Welcome to my channel, Stock Market on Hoyser. Today we introduce the very potential stock is the VCC, Vietnam Construction and Import Export Joint Stock Corporation. We recommend for you to buy this stock in this month, February 2023. First of all, we look at the profile of the company. This company was established in 1988, and the main business activity of the company is the construction of civil industrial transport, especially the company specializing in highway construction. And this is one of the basic company in Vietnam focused on highway express construction. That's why the company is advantaged by the government policy to build a highway from Saigon to Hanoi from the periods of 2020 to 2025. And second, we look at the capital and dividend of the company. The capital is around 10,000 billion Vietnam dong. It's mean equivalent to 400 million US dollar. And total assets is around 30 billion Vietnam dong. It's mean equivalent to 1.2 billion US dollar. And now we look at the finance of the company. The revenue of the company is increased significantly in the last year. It means increase about 150% in 2022 in comparison with 2021, and reach about 8,600 billion Vietnam dong. It means equivalent to 400 million US dollar. And the profit after tax increased significantly, about 2 times in 2022 in comparison with 2021, and reach about 1,000 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to 450 million US dollar. This is a very good sign. And now we look at the chart of the company in the last 1 year. We look at the 1 month. In the last month, the price of the companies is average around 20,000 Vietnam dong. It means around $1 US. The ceiling is around 22, and the lowest rise in the last month, in the last 30 days, is around 19.3 Vietnam dong. That's why I think this is a good time for us to buy this stock in this month. And now we look at the 3-month chart, the chart of 3 months. Yeah, in the last 3 months, the price of the company is increased significantly from 12 to 19 as now. It's been around 150% in the last 3 months. After the government policy focus on the highway express from Saigon to Hanoi, and this express will implement from 2022 to 2025. It is one of the biggest projects in Vietnam in this period. And now we look at the 6 months, the right in the last 6 months. Yeah, it means the price of stock as now is equivalent, the average in the last 6 months. Yeah, in the last 6 months about 19,000 Vietnam dollars. And look at the 1 year, the chart in 1 year. Yeah, the price of the companies in 2020 in April 2022 is around 30x 30x Vietnam dong. It means nearly $2. And now we look at the news. There's some news, good news for this company. Not a bad news right now. Yes, today I only talk you about some basic information of the company, about the profile of the company, the chart, the price chart of the companies, the capital and dividends, the finance focus on the revenues and profit. We only talk some information, some basic information, and this is the company is very referred by the Vietnam government focus on the highway express from 2022 to 2025 and complete the highways from Saigon to Hanoi. So that's why we recommend for you to buy this stock in this month. I think this stock is one of the very potential stock in Hoiser right now. So thank you for your listening, and see you next time.